Tukzer. Keep on asking me that how to set up Tukzer dongle, Tukzer Wi-Fi hotspot, Tukzer mobile 4G VoLTE hotspot, or anything you keep on asking me about this Tukzer dongle. I just unboxed this device before a few days, and now keep on asking my other followers or subscribers that how we can set up this for first time. I gonna tell you that it's very easy. For before proceeding, just requesting you like for the video and subscribe the channel for get details about the Tukzer. Now what we have to do, we have to just find out a cut over here and just open this device from over here, and after that just insert the SIM card over here. There are just no full SIM card option is not there, just you have to add a micro SD card over SD over here, SIM card over here not a SD. And if you check out over here, this is a sticker, very important for you if you are using this device, and keep on mind, never lose this sticker, never peel off this sticker, because it's very bad for you and it's gonna harmful for you if you do so, because it has a very important details are over here. As you can see, the SSID, that means Wi-Fi name is over here, and the Wi-Fi key is over here. That's very easy. 128 is the Wi-Fi key, and after that you don't have to do anything else. That is the IP for settings and other things for changing the Wi-Fi password or admin password or anything, and the username and password is admin. After inserting the SIM card, just insert the battery into it and just press and hold this button and keep on pressing this for few seconds, and it will start blinking like this. After that you don't have to do much more. Just go to your mobile phone, just on the Wi-Fi and click on search, and you will find the 4G LTE Wi-Fi. Click on that Wi-Fi name that's called 4G, and enter the password 128 is over there, and just click on connect and enjoy the internet. Nothing else is over there. If you like this video about this Tukzer, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning new things about